Hi guys, Gary Brecka with Streamline Medical Group, and thank you for watching 30 ways to get 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of waking. One of my favorites that you can get at Costco is Vega Protein. This is an organic protein. It's vegetable based for those of you that have any kind of dairy allergy at all. This is an excellent source of protein. It comes from peas, a little bit of soybean, chickpeas, all kinds of vegetarian sources. It lacks a little bit of fiber, so I'm going to tell you how we're going to make up for that. But in the morning, very quick, we take the protein scooper. I get 21 grams of protein for every scoop of this protein powder. So I really want 30, so I'm going to do a scoop and a half right there. That puts 30 grams of protein in there. We're trying to avoid dairy during this 10-week challenge, so we're going to use organic unsweetened almond milk. This has another gram of protein, 2 grams of carbs, and 0 sugar. So we put the almond milk in there, very simple. And then what I like to do is I like to add, I just realized I don't have a spoon, I like to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now what this is going to do is this is going to bolster the omega-3 fatty acid content. It's also going to substantially increase the fiber. Chia seeds go into this mixture very dry, but they have a tendency to absorb the nutrients around them and inflate. They're very bulky in the intestine, so they move through in a way that's high fibrous, which is very healthy for you. So this is about 31 grams of protein, less than 10 carbs, high amount of fiber, and a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Take you less than 5 minutes from soup to nuts, and I'm gonna blend this and have a delicious shake and be out the door to get my 30 minutes of steady state cardio in. Thank you again for watching.